Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone, so they can send basically notifications to your watch. And to do that, we need to first find the Garmin Connect application icon. And once you find it, you need to press and hold on it, tap on App Info, and here select the permissions. And depending on what kind of notifications you want to receive from your phone on your watch, you will need to allow a couple of permissions. If you want to see the notifications from the calls, so let's say somebody calls you and the watch will vibrate and display the number or the name of the contact, you will need to allow the call logs, contacts and phone. If you want to see notifications from the messages, you will need to also allow the SMS. And if you want to see the calendar events, pop-ups, you need to allow the current calendar access. And to allow the permissions, simply find the permission you want to allow, tap on it and tap on allow. And then go back and repeat for the rest of them. Okay, now that we have the permissions allowed, we can close this page. And now we can open the settings. And what we need to do is to allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect application. And to do that, you will need to find the menu called Notification Access or Device and App Notifications. And you can tap on Search and look for it, or you can go to Apps, Special App Access, and here I have the Device and App Notifications, but it could also be called Notification Access if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna tap on Device and App Notifications, and what we have here is the list of apps. And what we need to do is to select the Garmin Connect and tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access to allow it. And once you allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect, we can close the settings and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we can tap on More, Garmin Devices, select our Forerunner 965. And here we can find the notifications and alerts, tap on it, tap on Smart Notifications, and we have During Activity and General Use. During Activity means when you're tracking activity on your watch, like running, cycling and stuff like that, basically when you have the training enabled. And the General Use is everything else, so if you're not tracking any activity, that's what's considered general use. Okay. First, let's tap on During Activity. We can turn on the notifications, and we have three types of notifications: calls, text, and apps. And we can customize the behavior of them. So we can tap on calls, we can turn on or off the notifications for calls. We can also enable and disable the tone for them and vibration. Same for the text and apps. So you can customize it to your liking. Then let's go back, tap on General Use, enable it, and the same three types of notifications. As you can see, we have calls, text, and apps. And we have two more options. We have privacy and timeout. The privacy option allows you to select start and gesture. Basically, it will hide the content of the notifications unless you press the start button if you select the press start option, or perform the wrist gesture if you select the gesture option. And off, of course, makes it disabled, or rather turned off, my bad. And the timeout option allows you to select the timeout. So if you select 1 minute, the notification will stay on the screen for 1 minute after you receive it, and then it will disappear. So that's the timeout, how the timeout option works. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, they should be working. But before we try anything, we need to go back to the settings page, right, the main settings page for our watch, and resync our watch with our phone to apply the settings on our watch. And now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and see if it's working. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch, which means it is working. And now we can close the app, and that's how you enable default notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.